Hey everyone, welcome back to the video of the channel. And unfortunately, today is the first day of Friday. Today is Friday, July 3rd. This is the first day of June. I'm in July here. And for some reason, the tornado sirens didn't even start yet. If you guys don't know, tornado siren tests are conducted each day on the first day of Friday. And they conducted each month on the first day of Friday at 10 a.m. Central Time here in this time zone, but for some reason it didn't even test it. It's supposed to alert everyone that it's testing. Signs are placed everywhere, so I don't know, guys. It seems that it doesn't want to test. So yeah, that's strange.